Viewfinder. Image.
This is Gallagher123123, back with another Apple TV look. This time, we're going to take a look at the accessibility settings, and I'll show you what you can adjust. So, we're going to go to the settings. I'm going to press my down arrow.
Netflix.
Arrow to settings.
Showtime. Settings. Button. 5 of... In settings. General. Button. 1 of 9.
Now, general is what we want. Just going to turn up get the X1 remote so I can turn this up a bit. Okay, so we're general is selected, which is what we actually want.
In general. About. Button. 1 of 17.
Now we're going to arrow down pretty much to the end.
Name. Network. Restrictions. Remotes. Bluetooth. Software update. Time zone. Sleep after. Send data to Apple. Language. Region format. Accessibility. Button. 13 of 17.
So in accessibility, we're going to have...
In accessibility. Voiceover. On. Button. 1 of 7.
I'm going to go in here and turn this down, actually. So the first option, we have voiceover, so that
Voiceover off.
We can toggle it. Now it's off.
Voiceover on. In accessibility. Voiceover. On. Button. 1 of 7.
So we'll go down.
Speech rate. Normal. Button. 2 of 7.
Now, as this you might expect, you can adjust the speech rate.
Speech rate. Fast. Button. Speech rate. Very fast. Button. Speech rate. Very slow. Speech rate. Slow. Button. Speech rate. Normal. Button.
So I'm pressing my OK. So I'm arrowing through and I'm pressing the OK button to make these changes.
Use pitch. Off. Button.
Now I had a comment about this, saying
change pitch when voiceover speaks to help distinguish context.
Saying if there goes to lower pitch when it says in main menu. That is the default setting, and I forgot to point that out in my original video. But I have that off because I find that quite annoying. So basically what that does is, there's a similar setting on the iPhone, where it'll go, instead of saying in main menu, it'll go like in main menu, movies. So the pitch goes down for certain things.
Accessibility menu. On. Button. 4 of 7.
Now this is another feature I talked about.
To access accessibility options, hold down the menu button.
Where you can hold down the menu button to access the accessibility menu. I showed you this in my first video, and I told you that you had to turn that feature on. Well, this is where you go to turn that on.
Video descriptions. Off. Button.
Video descriptions are becoming a
when
thing.
Available, automatically play video descriptions.
A thing on the iTunes store. And actually, we'll probably get to this in another video when we look at Netflix. There is now video description for Netflix, which is huge. So, we'll keep going down.
In subtitles and captioning. Closed captions plus SDH. Off.
Closed
button.
captions.
Style. Default.
And
button.
styles. That's what's here. You just up arrow through these.
Voiceover. On. Button.
And you pretty much press OK to change them. So, that is the accessibility menu. Now, actually, because we have time, I will show you the use pitch and what it does. So here is how it sounds now.
In general. In settings. General. In main menu. Settings. Button.
Now let's go in and we'll enable the use pitch option. So I'm going to scroll down.
Region format. Accessibility. In accessibility. Speech. Use pitch. Use pitch. On. Button. In general. Accessibility. Button. In settings. In main menu. Settings. Button.
So it lowers her pitch.
In settings. Screensaver. Icon.
A lot. So
general.
Let's turn that off because I find that very annoying.
Language. Region format. Accessibility. Button. In accessibility. Voiceover. On. Voiceover off.
Oops.
Voiceover on. Speech rate. Use pitch. On. Use pitch. Off. Button.
So, there we go. Now we have voiceover running and we have it configured the way we want. In another video, I'll show you how you can actually change the voice on the Apple TV. I'm not going to go into it now, but you could get the Australian voice on here, or the US voice, or the UK voice. So you could have a male on here if you wanted to. However, I prefer the US, which is what it comes set to, and I finally figured out how to get it back to the US voice. So that is what I wanted to show you on the Apple TV. Just gonna back out.
In settings. In main menu. Settings. Button. 5 of 69.
So I hope you guys are enjoying these Apple TV videos. I'm gonna try and keep making them. And also, we will continue with our friend over here, X1, and looking at some more of its features. So let me know if you guys are enjoying these TV accessibility videos. Because if you guys are, then I enjoy making them for you all. Alright, so that's it for this one. See you in a future video.